See in the question number 4 it is given expand each of the following using suitable identities. It means you should have to write the expansion form. You should have to write down the expansion form. So it means already it is given which form? Factorization form it is given. It means left side form it is given and it is asked that you have to write down the right side form. Just see here it is the square it is given square, but here it is the number of a term it is 3. 1, 2, 3. Here it means suppose it is x, this one it will be y, this one it will be z. So it means this one it is in the form of x plus y plus z whole square. So whenever you get the identity x plus y plus z whole square, its expansion form it was said to you at that time. See x plus y plus z its square it is equal to, see, first term square plus second term square plus third term square. Then after I said 2 first and second, product of first and second. Then after plus 2 y and z second and third. Then after plus 2 third and first z into x. So the same formula we have to apply at here so that we can write its expansion form. See, so here it means x plus y plus z square. In place of x, x is there, but in place of y here it is 2y and in place of z it is 4z it is there. So for which first term square it means x square. No need to give the bracket because here it is the single x. Then after x square, then after second square means 2y, but here it is the bracket it will be required, 2y square. Then after third square means z square means third term square, 4z square. Then after plus 2 into the product of the first with the second. First is x, second it is our 2y. Next one it is 2, it is in the product of the second and third. Second it is our 2y and third it is our 4z. And the last one it is 2 into product of the last and first. Last means 4z, here it is x. So this one it is the step by step we are doing. Whenever you are getting acquainted, directly you can write without writing this step also. See, next step, x square. Here it is no bracket, for which x square means same x square. Here it is 2y whole square, which means 4y square. 2 square into y square. Then after 4z square, it is equal to 4 square equal to 16, z square equal to z square. Then after 2 here is 2, here it is another 2. 2 2 are 4. Product of the variable it is x into y. So 4xy. Next one it is, see 2, here it is 2, here it is 4. 4 2 is 8, 2 16. It means 16, here it is yz. And the last one it is 4, here it is 2, which is equal to 8, but here it is z into x. Say whether it is easy or difficult, but whenever you are writing the expansion form, before writing the expansion form, on the right side you should have to write down this algebraic identity. Because of this algebraic identity, we are writing the step just like this. Understood? So how we have done this question in the same way, first we have to do the question number VI. I am doing the question number VI, then after I will do the question number IV. Okay? See, once again I am repeating the question number VI. The question it is 1 by 4a minus 1 by 2b plus 1 its square it is given. So it means it is also in the same way we have to proceed. So for which I am writing the question number I, then after once again the same question I am doing. See, so this one it is total number of how many terms? 1 term, 2 term and 3 terms. So 3 terms square, it means it is in the form of x square, y square and z square. And x plus y plus z square formula it is already known to you. But important one it is here the x it is how much? Here the x it is our 1 by 4a and y it is our minus 1 by 2b. This one it is the important one, it is our minus 1 by 2b. And z it is our 1. And you have already known that its expansion form it will be how much? So its expansion form it will be first one square, it means 1 by 4a x square plus y square means y means minus 1 by 2b x square and c square means z square means 1 square x square y square z square got. Then after c, then after 2 into product of the first and second. First one it is 1 by 4a and second one it is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2b. First and second. Then after plus 2 into product of the second and third. Second it is our minus 1 by 2b into 1. And the last term in the expansion form it is 2 into the product of the last and first. Last it is 1 and first it is our 1 by 4a, which is equal to, then after you just have to open the bracket and that one will be our last step. So whenever opening the bracket it becomes c, 1 by 4a square means 1 by 4 square and also a square. So for which 1 by 4 square means 1 by 4, 1 by 4 equal to 1 by 16 a square. And here it is negative, its square it will be positive. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 which will be 1 by 4 b square. Then after 1. See next here, see 2 it can be cancelled with these two. So for which 1 by 4 here it is minus 1 which becomes minus 1 by 4 into ab. See here it is 2 it is cancelled, for which minus b. Here it is 2 can cancel the 4 2. So for which last one it is a divided by 2 over perfectly understood. So this one it is our expansion form. Only with the calculation we have to do everything. Okay, now we will do the discussion of our last question. See, in the last question it is given, this one it is our 1x, this one it is our y and this one it is our z. And you know very well the square of x plus y plus z, it will always be square of the first one. Square of the first one means here the first one it is our x, it is our 3a. So for which here it is 3a square. Next one it will be the square of the y here it is minus 7b. Don't write plus 7b. Here it is minus 7b square and z it is our minus c whole square. Ready? On the right side you should have to write according to x plus y plus z whole square, which is our x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Okay? On the right side you have to write. Okay? Then after x square plus y square plus z square, then after plus 2 into product of the first 2. It means 3a whole into minus 7b. Understood or not understood? Then after here it is 2 first 2, then after 2 second and third. It second means minus 7b into minus c. And the next one it is 2 into last and first. Last it is our minus c, first one it is our 3a. And in the last step only you have to open the bracket. See, opening the bracket, 3a square means 9a square. Here it is minus 7 square means 49 b square, minus c square means plus c square. Then after here it is, see, 7 3 is 21, 2 equal to 42. It means minus it is. So for which directly writing it as the minus 42 AB. Here it is minus minus, it means total term it will be plus. So for which plus 7 to the 14 BC. And the last one it is our C. Here it is 1 minus term. So for which this one it is our minus. So for which 3 to 6 C A. Understood this question? This question it is easy or difficult? So just like this question, it was the factorization form it was given and we got its expansion form. Next question, it is related to our expansion form whose factorization form we have to formulate. Understood or not understood? Just wait. See, in this question number 5, it is said you have to factorize. So to factorize means 100% it is the expansion form. So it is the expansion form means first we have to check how many number of terms are there. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whose expansion term it is 6 in number. So that one it is related to our algebraic identity x plus y plus z square. Whose expansion form having the 6 number of terms. Understood? So for which its expansion form it is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So for which the important thing is we have to arrange whether it can be written as the 3 square must be there, 3 square term. Then after the product of it means 2 into something, 2 into something, 2 into something. So let me to arrange so that we will get whose square finally we will get. The 3 terms are how much and how much. Okay. See, here it is 4x square. It means it can be written it in the form of 2x its square. So it means a first term we obtain. Whose square means first term we got. Thereafter 9y square means see 3y whole square. Got. Next one it is 16z square for which it is 4z square. So first 3 perfect square we have already arranged. Thereafter here it is next one it is 2 into product of the first and the second. So let me to check whether we are getting the same or different. See, 2 into first term it is our 2x and second one it is our 3y. Check we are getting the same or not. 3 to 6 to 12. Yes, 12 matching with 12. Then after x into y, here it is xy matching, no problem. Thereafter another one I am arranging. See, another one it should be just like this, 2 into second and third. Second means not square, second means within the bracket. It means 3y into 4z. See, 4, 3 z 12, 2 z 24. But there it is minus 24. But here it is y and z, here it is yz matching. But here it is minus, it is creating the problem. Don't worry, that minus we will balance it. Okay. So thereafter last one also we are checking. See, last one also plus 2 into product of the last and first. Last it is our 4z, first it is our 2x. 4 to the 8 to the 16. Here it is minus 16. xz. Variable balance. Here it is numeral it is balance, but one it is a plus, another one it is minus. Whenever you are getting the situation just like this, so which one it is negative? See, which one it is negative? See, this one it is the negative term, also this one it is the negative term. Whenever you are getting the two negative terms, the trick is, see the trick, here it is the z, which one it is the common? See, z is the common. As z is the common, see, z it is in the which term? First one having x, second one having y, last one it is having the z. So for which z having which term? So this one it is not the 4z, it should be minus 4z. Understood? So this one it is minus 4z. See, 4z square it is also 16z square. Minus 4z square it is also 16z square. So wherever you got it as the 4z, there you have to write it as the minus 4z. See, here minus 4z and here it is minus 4z. Now this term it is minus, 24, here it is minus 24, here it is minus 16, that one it is also minus 16. Ready? So for which on the right side you should have to write, what you should have to write? X square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So whose factorization form is x plus y plus z its square. So where is the x? So from this, where is the x? X means 2x, y means 3y, z means here it is minus 4z its square. Tell me, factorization it is easy or factorization it is difficult? Understood? Balancing understood. Whenever negative is there, between the negative, this one negative, which two are the negative, you have to compare which one it is the common, which one it is the common. So that one belongs to first or the second or third. As it is the third, for which that one we have to make it as the negative. Understood? Okay. So how we have done this question, double I question, also we have to try to do in the same way. Okay, just do it. See the question number 5II. In the question number 5II, it is asked that you have to factorize. So factorize means expansion form it is given. See, in the expansion form, number of a term it is 6. So where you got the number of a term it is 6? Few of the algebraic identities we have already done the discussion. 5 number of algebraic identities of degree 2 we have already done so far. So from these 5 algebraic identity, so tell me which algebraic identity whose expansion form having 6 number of a term. 100% it will be our x plus y plus z square. 100% it will be our x plus y plus z square. So for which we have to try to make the expansion form ready as in the algebraic identity x plus y plus z whole square. Just like 3 number of a perfect square must be there, and another 3 numbers must be the 2 into the product of the first 2, another one it is the 2 into the product of the next 2, another one it is the 2 into the product of the last and first. We have to try to arrange. Okay. See, here it is the square is there, square is there, square is there. So it means 100%. These 3 should be arranged it in the square format. See, x it is seen x square equal to x square, but 2 it is whose square? 2 it is whose square? Root 2 it is our 2. Root 2 whenever multiplied for twice it becomes 2. So for which here I am writing root 2 into x square, it is our 2x square, because root 2 square means 2, x square means x square. Then after y square it is clearly seen it as the y its square. Ready? Then after 8, whenever one is factorizing 8, see 2, 4, here it is 2, here it is 2. It means square having out of 2, we have to take it as the 1. So it means 2, here it will be root 2. So it means it will be in the form of 2 root 2 z square. So first 3 perfect square we have already arranged. Then after we will think about the sign of the term. No problem. Okay. It is very easy question. Only you just have to give the focus towards our arrangement. Otherwise with full of relax you just have to concentrate. Okay. Next one it is, see, up to this it is balance. This one balance, this one it is balance. Now we have to balance this one. See, here it is plus 2 into product of the this one and this one, not a square. It is whose square? That one and this one. Okay. So for which here it is root 2x into y. See whether it is clearly balancing with the this one, otherwise not. See, 2 root 2, here it is 2 root 2, but here it is minus, here it is plus. No worry, plus minus arrangement we will do after that. Okay. Then after xy, here it is also xy. Otherwise, number balance already balanced. Also the variable it is already balanced. Only the plus minus it is not balanced. No problem. In the next step we will balance. Okay. And the next one it is, see, 2 into First it is 2 into product of these two. Then after 2 into product of this one and this one, second and third. Second one it is this one, third one it is our 2 root 2 z. See, 2 root 2, it means 2 to 4 root 2, 4 root 2, here it is 4 root 2, here it is plus 4 root 2, here it is also plus 4 root 2. Here it is yz, here it is also yz. So it means this one perfectly matching. Perfectly matching. Number also variable along with the sign also matching. Okay. Last one, let me to check. Last one it is the product of a 2 into which one it is the last term. Last term square it is given, but I want last term into first term. Last term it is our 2 root 2 root 2 z last term, and first term it is our root 2 x. Last term, first term. See whether everything is matching or not. 2 to 4 root 2 2. 4 into 2 it is our 8. 8 is matching. X z matching with the xz, but here it is the plus sign, there it is the minus sign. One thing it is happened that in this case and in this case it is the sign it is not matching with the above step. So for which how to do the adjustment, I said, see which one it is the negative, these two are the negative. In these two we have to search which one it is the common, which one it is the common variable. Here it is x, it is here, here it is the x, it is here. So you just have to find which one having the x term. See, first one, second one and third one, from the three having the x, it is having the x, it is having by the x belongs to first term. So as x belongs to our first term, 100% x it will be negative. See, x it is negative means here it will be negative and last one it is also negative. So now it is balance. Negative problem, it was solved by the negative problem. Here it is the negative problem, also it is solved by the negative problem. Okay. So as it is arranged already perfectly in the expansion form of x square y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So for which only we have to detect this one it is the first term, this one it is the second term, this one it is the third term. So our formula it will be root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2 z, it is its square. How we wrote just like this? On the right side you should have to write down according to this property. See, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx, which is our x plus y plus z, its square. Ready? Actually up to this whatever the questions we have done, everywhere the degree it was 2. Okay, so in the next class we will do the discussion algebraic identity, where the degree it will be our 3. Okay, so then after degree regarding 3 algebraic identity we will do the discussion. Then after few of the question on regarding this also we will do the discussion. Okay, till thank you, have a nice day ahead. Bye bye.